Okay, I just woke up, analyzed the market, saw what happened while I was asleep, and I'm not worried about EverRise and people taking profits. And I'll tell you why this dip is not an issue at all, and why people taking profits when they manage to buy in here, just like us, taking profits so is okay, even though we didn't take any profits. If you can, as you can see here, just switch to my smart chain and connect my MetaMask. I still have my EverRise tokens, still waiting, but I understand that some people are taking profits. It's better that they profit now instead of when the price goes 10x from here. If they take 5K out, it will be 50K, so they can't really move the markets. We'll talk about the news we have, what we're waiting for, all the analysis that you would need for the day, and technical analysis, fundamental analysis, you get it. But keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm just a very random dude on the internet. But if you like and subscribe, you help me out. I'm also sponsored by Bybit. And if you sign up and deposit $100 using my link in the description down below, you'll get a $25 bonus. And if you want to buy crypto with the lowest fees, you can also use Binance. Both great platforms to trade on. So let's start. The market was hectic, to say the least, and let me explain what happened so far so you kind of get the gist of the whole EverRise situation. With pretty much the Dr. Niki army, when I told you I'm buying 6.2K worth of EverRise, it was this video right here. It was 2 days ago. I said, boys, I'm going in. And the price just skyrocketed, and I bought in from a fundamental standpoint. The project is great, but also I really like to trade breakouts. We saw the breakout right here. As soon as that happened, what we did was we just spiked up. We spiked up a lot, and the first stream we did on EverRise was here. We saw a lot of buying pressure around the AMA, and some people took profits here because of the AMA. This is the only reason they took profits. There was some drama around it, but it didn't really hurt us because then we had another breakout, which also serves, you know, resistance here, resistance here, support here. So this is a very strong area right now. It's a breakout from the people taking profits on the AMA. Then we were waiting for the billboard. While we were waiting for it, I was streaming it live. By the way, if you're holding any EverRise, you should subscribe. Right around here, we saw an 80 something K buy, like 80 grand. Someone bought 80 grand worth at once, not in a few chunks, at once. It was the biggest I've seen at once. While I was having a stream. And then just people took profits. We had a massive profit taking, you know, people bought in here, smart money, or just life-changing money for some people. But we're in it for a bit longer, right? So if we can 10x, I saw someone withdrawing like 24 grand worth, so that's 100 grand. If you waited for 10x, that's a mil. Do you get projects like this a lot? I don't think so. And what happened here was we had a lot of massive profit taking, and because we didn't really hold this area, the 6,300 at the time, we just went down to the support level. Now we formed the support level around the 5,700 area. And now what do we do from here? The good thing is, which I'm very happy about, is that we actually managed to build more bullish momentum. It's not as rapid as it used to be, but it's still very healthy. And this is why I'm still holding my EverRise. No matter with some adjustments, you can still see like nothing is. We're actually very, yeah, it's still trending upwards aggressively. With a lot of support areas, but you might be thinking, where the resistance area? First resistance is during the billboard, where people just took profits, and then the all-time high. And I do believe that today might be a great day for EverRise and the next few days. First of all, We have Dr. Crypto Vendor. You should follow him on Twitter. I did. And if he has, he's doing an AMA with Certic. That's important. That's very important. If you go on his Twitter, you can see that, and he'll probably announce it. And I'll talk about it on my channel when he does as well. And I'm trying to find it. He's probably just going, yeah, here it is. Our Certic AMA audit is finished. We're excited to announce that they will be hosting a live video AMA. Hopefully it's in the next 1 week. By the way, I was in contact with Dr. Crypto Vendor. If you're watching the video, Doctor, can you comment down below what the dates might be? When can we expect it? It's 100% confirmed from what I learned. We just don't know the date yet. So there's a lot of hype going into this project right now. And what happens here is he's also giving away 3 billion rice to the winner of the Dr. Crypto Vendor logo avatar contest. People, he's just hyping up rice, and we have new people coming in. We talked about it yesterday. I don't want to repeat myself too much. You can just see this video. But something interesting for the community was also that there's a warning around Telegram groups. So on the Telegram group, right, you should join the EverRise Telegram group. If you haven't already, it's great. But some people just go there to spread FUD during dips to get the price down so they can buy in. This is called market manipulation. And they're warning us about it. I will vote it right here. It says, we have noticed that there is a coordinated group whose intentions are to manipulate the prices in their own benefits. This is a common issue which all successful coins have dealt with. They basically want to, it's a common technique whales use to drive the price down to then able to buy at lower prices. They would even see, you know, the market liquidity drop. Sometimes you just gotta drop 1-2 grand if there's not enough liquidity or buy orders, and you can, you know, sort of move the prices down. These people, what else? These people used to come, especially when price is going down, and they write apparently smart text, trying to convince you to sell. They do this when people is stressed out, when people are stressed out about dips, and therefore they are not thinking critically, but with an emotional brain. So that's smart, but definitely be cautious about it. And you can see it in every coin. But the good thing is we've got the Kraken. Cheers. Me, when I find out the Kraken has 2 million in its wallet, and it's growing right now, and it's growing. Oh, someone's just subscribed. I now have notifications on. Do you like that? Let me know. Money plant. Hey, and I also have the chat right at the top right corner of the stream, somewhere around here. If you are on the live stream, we do it every day. We stream every day. We are at 57k holders, by the way, which is great. What else? Some new people buying in, and we're just, oh, one more thing I want to tell you from a technical standpoint about the EverRise project that I'm happy about is this jump isn't like this jump. The depth of this drop of the first profit taking was bigger than the depth of the profit taking right now. Let me just show you from top to bottom. It's 39%, and right now it's less, and the depth is less, and it's great. Look at this. Here the drop isn't as high, and the reason is more people are excited about it. There's more information about it. There's more things that we're waiting for. And if we can break the 8,300 area, we can go to the all-time high. And if we don't have a lot of weekends, we can jump to 300% from that. So that's an 2x from right now. And who knows what happened after that. Exchanges, so many features can, or so many things, so many market events that we can wait for after that. So I think the future is going to be fun for EverRise. Definitely look at the chart, but don't get stressed too much. I don't think selling right now is literally stupid because we are near the all-time high, and we are having bullish momentum. I'm holding my EverRise. Why wouldn't you hold yours? But that's no financial advice. That's just my opinion. See you in this video. Bye.